What's up, you guys? I am doing my first rental kart league race today. It's a 75-minute race, a 45-minute qualifying session, single file start. I think I need to read up on the rule book because I've never done this before. I hope I don't wreck someone who is actually going to be taking it seriously. So hats off and apologies to you, sir. I can tell by my face it's pretty hot, and I'm gonna go out for a few more sessions, come back in, go out again, drink some water. I am going to run my kart for like a session or two and just get out there. And I got some really good notes and feedback from friends from my last video that I posted. I got some really good things to work on. We're gonna drive this thing in today. I'm excited. I don't have any onboard footage for it, so I'm sorry, but next time we come back, I'll show you. Tonight is Rental League Kart Race. Woo! Let's go. Oh man. Definitely felt a lot more in control. I don't know if it's because I've been watching my footage like a lot and like slowing it down and pausing it and like really making note of the marks, but I feel like today I was actually hitting my marks. Honestly, making those notes really helped. And thank you everyone who responded and actually like sent me some more notes. It's been super helpful. Kart. Have a good sleep. I'll be back tomorrow. Let's go do this rental league race. All right, people, I just went out for like a practice qualifying thing for like 10 minutes. I'm a little more tired from the X30 kart than I thought I would be. I definitely grabbed a Celsius. Sorry, Rowdy. We have a weight limit that we have to meet, so we added like 150. I can't count. I'm not dumb, but I can't count right now. 150 something pounds. I don't know. Now you guys are gonna know how much I weigh. Oh god. We added weight. I put a seat on top of it, and it's like really uncomfortable. And I feel like I'm sitting up on this thing. And the difference between the X30 and then this kart is a lot, and I'm kind of struggling translating things over and or not translating things over. I'm driving in way too deep, so next time I go out I'm gonna really back the corners up. After my stint, a guy came up to me and said I was braking too hard into turn 1. So I think I'm braking too hard into all these turns. So now I'm gonna just drive in a little deeper because rubber is laid down. Update. It's like borderline raining right now. I went on my first stint and I started in like 3rd and I ended up in last because I got spun into turn 1. Very angry. However, I'm here for seat time and I'm here for fun. So I ran around in last consistently, figured out a few kinks. When I say spun, I mean I got spun, but I was also driving like an idiot. I'm a last place driver today, guys. This is a learning experience. All right, y'all, I'm leaving the GoPros. Man, what a night. I came in last, but it was a great learning night. Apparently next week we're doing the full course backwards, so I'm not looking forward to that. It's so different driving these things compared to the X30s. It's so different. It's not even funny. Like using way too much brake the whole night and just overdoing the heck out of it. So